Hi friends, this is another video. Thank you for watching Enrique76. I have now unboxing review for C Idea for the smart tablet. This tablet is from C Idea. Let's open it. So this is, they have 10 inches Android tablet, 8G screen, 5G Wi-Fi, long battery life. Okay, the tablet is there, and the little cables are here to charge it. They come right here. It's an adapter. This is the instructions right here. This has a touch screen here, and you have a clear camera for videos. You put it right here. Let's take some picture. You can see it. This is the camera. You can take some picture, and you can do a video too. You can record in any videos, YouTube, in the street, whatever you want. It's not heavy, easy to carry when you travel. You can expand storage, space, pictures or videos, 8 gigabytes or to 128 gigabytes. I use this tablet to listen music, YouTube and Netflix. You can play games, can be in Facebook, TikTok. Remember friends, this tablet coming from the company C Idea. Friends, click in the link below and check it out. Thank you so much for seeing my videos, and see you on another video. Thank you for watching my channel for Enrique76, and subscribe it. See you in another video.